Hello everyone, welcome back. We're getting ready to get the chassis into the paint booth so we could get the body on it. First thing I'm doing on all the areas that are going to be covered by the body is I'm putting a coat of fluid film on there. This is the stuff I use. And I'm just taking a little bit and putting it on with a brush. Let's see if I can show you some of this. Oops, hang in there. There it is. And I'm just getting a little bit on a brush. And I'm getting all the surfaces. Getting that joint right between there so no junk. This will creep down in between the frame and that spring plate there. Just getting everything. This will keep everything from corrosion. Nothing will stick to it, and it'll protect the frame. And when the body's on, I'll go over the underside of the body as well. And I spray it. I've got a sprayer to do that, but for now I'm just getting all the areas that the body is going to cover. And it just leaves a kind of film on there. There's a lot of different products you can use. This is just what I use. Everybody probably has different opinions on what to use. This works good here in the Northeast where I am, and it keeps vehicles well protected, and it's just fantastic stuff. It does stay like wet, but that's not a big deal. The protection is worth it. There's some guys that'll tell you you can never work on your vehicle again if you put this on there, and there's a lot of dumbasses out there that'll tell you anything. But if you have to work on your vehicle and you don't want to get all grimy and stuff, a little bit of soap and a pressure washer will just take this stuff right off. Don't be afraid to use it, because people tell you you're not going to be able to work on your vehicle. You'll be covered and you'll die and the world will stop spinning. It's just not true. The benefits of this stuff are tremendous, and on a snowblower Jeep that's going to be out in the garbage, it's worth it to me. Let's go back over to the label here. Okay. There you can see, protects all metals, lanolin based, no solvents, non-toxic and non-hazardous. And the best thing about this is it's safe to bring this in the paint booth. It's not going to cause fish eyes. There's no silicone in it. There's no nothing in it. It's I don't have any trouble bringing it in the paint booth and putting the body on. So just the first step of protection. You know, when I took this thing apart, this transmission transfer case was so completely rusted. I mean, the case, just chunks were coming off it. We don't want that ever again. And the whole subframe, it's fantastic for leaf springs and the pivot joints and everything like that. That stuff will be smooth. You don't get any squeaky springs ever. It's just wonderful. Don't get it on your exhaust or anything like that. And it can affect some types of rubber. So I don't spray it on rubber things. And the body mounts I'm going to use are, I'm making mine out of polyurethane, like I made. Even my exhaust hangers are polyurethane. I really like polyurethane. It's just a wonderful material. So my body mounts are also going to be polyurethane, and the fluid film does not affect polyurethane at all. So it's just what I like to use. Obviously you guys can do whatever you want. Don't put anything on there. You may think you're ruining your Jeep if you put it on there. Just whatever you decide, whatever you want to do is fine. Obviously that's what restoration's all about. You do what you want to do. So I got the truck out there ready to pick it up. It's kind of misty right now. I'm going to give it a few minutes, see if it clears up, and then we are going to zip this into the paint booth. Okay guys, chassis in the paint booth. I may have to swap it around. I'm not sure if I can get the body high enough to come over the grill. So I might have to pull it out again and put it in the other way and turn the body around and set the body from the back side. I'm not sure. I may put it on go jacks. I might put some go jacks under the wheels and slide the chassis to the side and just swap things around that way. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I don't think I'm going to try and set the body alone. I'm going to probably wait till Saturday or Sunday when Maria's around so she can give me a hand. But either way, you can see where the roof is and where that chain fall is. I don't know if I'll get it high enough to clear that grill. So I'm going to do some fiddling around in here and get it prepped for lifting and setting on the chassis. So hang in there. I'll be back with you. Okay guys, it's a new day. I've got some help today, so we're going to get the body installed onto the chassis. You can see I got it hanging from the chain falls. And we're ready to start lifting. You take these on that side. I'll bring the whole body forward. You watch this for a minute.
Okay. I think it's gonna have to go.
Back up hard? Is it up high enough?
Yeah.
Okay guys, we've got it sitting on the chassis. Just gonna unhook the chain falls now. These are just some lifting eyes that I use through the pockets, and then just a shackle. It's plenty strong to lift just a body. You can get that?
Mm-hmm.
Don't use any of those just bent steel ones. That's a real eye there. Don't use any of those other ones. They'll straighten out on you when you go to lift something. So just be careful when you get your rigging apparatus that you use good stuff. The body's not heavy, but those hardware store ones will fail on you if you're lifting a body. Okay, that's the back. We're going to go unhook the front, and then we'll take a look at it on the chassis. Okay guys, in front, I just hook onto the radiator support brackets. And that little eye right there, that's just a 1/4 20 thread. But that's an actual machine lifting eye. And that'll lift, that's got a working load limit of 500 pounds. So, like I say, don't get that hardware store stuff. Get some real good stuff. And then we just lift from these brackets right here, and they're plenty strong for lifting the body. Let me get these chain falls out of the way, and we'll take a peek at it. Okay guys, we'll give a quick walk around here. I've just got some bars through the body and then through the mounts. I don't have my polyurethane mounts in there yet. Then you can see how nice the dash looks. Inside came out just as nice and glossy as the outside. So I'm happy with that. And it's been a long road to get here, but it is finally on the chassis for good now. We don't have to take it back off or anything. And you can see the gloss on there. You can see the table here and the filters and stuff. And there it is. I've got the fenders here that need to go on. I was buffing some of those little dirt spots out. The hood has not been cleared on the inside, so I'm still going to clear the inside and probably shoot another couple on the outside. But there it is. So we can get it on the rollback at some point and get it back in the shop and continue on with the build. So that's all I got for you today. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.